Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Chisago County, northern Arnold County, Isani County, northwestern Polk County in northwestern Wisconsin until 6:30 a.m. At 5:47 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Spencer Brook to St. Francis, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Cambridge, Forest Lake, East Bethel, North Branch, St. Francis, Isani, Chisago City, Lindstrom, Rush City, Osceola, St. Croix Falls, and Stacy. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 136 and 163, U.S. Highway 8, in Minnesota between mile markers 7 and 22. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. At 4:55 a.m., radar indicates